today we're taking a look at the Meta Quest 3. Now this is the 128GB edition. It does come in another edition of 256 gigs. This is the first time I'm unboxing it. I'm just going to peel this off, just like that, and pull this thing out. Before I do, there's another one right over here. Now this thing would make for an amazing gift. I'm gonna go ahead and take this thing out right here. Check out the box. We have the really cool Meta logo with the Quest 3 right there. Go ahead and open this up for the first time. Check this thing out. So we have our two controllers, of course. Take a look at them. This is much different than the Quest 2. As you can see, they are much smaller. They actually fit great in the palm of my hands. And of course, we have this nice little divot over here, so it'll feel much smoother when moving around and actually playing. I do love the weight of these things as well. I just feel like they're perfect, especially with it being only the first like 30 seconds of me holding them. I'm absolutely in love with this. And let me go ahead and pull this thing out as well. It's what we've all been waiting for, so check this out. Go ahead and pop this out. And of course, we have two nice lens protectors right over there. Peel that out. And this is the pancake lenses. This is what has been a part of the whole craze for the next Quest. Looks stunning. I do want to say that the actual like white fabric over here is super soft compared to the Quest 2. This is amazing. I also love where the new charging port is right here. This is very, very lightweight. I'm actually extremely surprised. I did know that it was going to be lighter weight than the previous version, but this is amazing. And then check this out right here. And of course, we have our cameras and sensors all on the front, which is amazing. And yeah, overall, I'd highly recommend this product to anyone who's looking to get into VR, or if you're giving this thing as a gift to someone, they are going to love you. I hope you found this review helpful today. Have a nice day.
Hey guys, I would just like to show you guys today this Meta Quest 3. So the Meta Quest 3 came out in, I believe, October timeframe, and it is the newest product from Meta. The Meta Quest 3 is one of the first AR devices that's like completely wireless and has a ton of fun video games and apps that you can use on it that are not only in the VR space, but also in mixed reality, where you can like put things around in your house and they will be like showing up for you around your house. Now, the coolest thing about this one is how good the see-through mechanism is. So when I'm using these compared to other VR systems, it's really easy to be able to see through and like see your surroundings when you're trying to figure out like, okay, where am I going to set up my boundaries? Where am I going to play my mixed reality games? It's just very convenient and very high quality to be able to like look around and actually feel like you're still in your room, even though you're wearing a headset. Like other Meta Quest varieties that have come out previously, this one is completely wireless. Right now it's on a charging station, but when you are playing it, it is completely wireless and you don't actually have to be attached to anything. So you can basically play this anywhere in your house. Especially with mixed reality, you aren't going to be bumping into things. You aren't going to be falling over stuff, because you'll be able to see it very crispy. You won't be pulling a cord off behind you. And I've been able to play with these for a straight 2 hours with plenty of battery life. And about at that 2 hour mark, it starts to get to the point where I need to take a break. And so it's the perfect time to take it and put it on the charger. But I just think this is going to be an awesome gift for Christmas, because it is the most highest resolution VR set that is going to be like, that's pretty much brand new still. And it's got to have a ton more games added to it as time goes on. There's already a great selection of games that are being updated to handle the cool features like hand tracking and the mixed reality stuff that I've already been talking about. And so, yeah, this is going to be a great addition if you're just looking to upgrade from the Meta Quest 2 or something previous, or if you're looking to just get into the metaverse and VR and AR in general. This is a great starting VR set that is actually very high quality and very professional. This is a very much 10 out of 10 for me.